Well, the technology on a Tesla is, it's pretty market standard with the lane departure camera and the ADAS camera. What makes those difficult is the way the camera and the whole center covering and everything. It's a lot more tedious than, say, like a Toyota Tundra, where the cover pops right off. You can slide the camera out, take your T20 Torx, remove the rear view mirror. There's a lot of little tiny screws on it. You have to be really careful with them. It's a lot more tedious, I would say. It's not that the technology's, more than others. It's that the process involved. You have to take your time, and you also have to verify that it's the correct windshield, because they make, each Tesla has like 8 or 9 different windshields for it. You got to make sure you're installing the right one. And some of them are so closely different but still close that you can make, if you're not looking at where the rain sensor is, or where how big the camera is, you can accidentally install the wrong one.